we'll guide you through how to configure VS Code settings to tailor your development experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once you're in, go to the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. You can choose between the default settings or your own user settings. Click on Settings to open a new tab with all the configurable options. Here, you can search for specific settings in the search bar, which is super handy if you know what you're looking for. For example, if you want to change the font size, just type font size in the search bar and adjust the slider to your preference. If you're looking to customize themes, type theme, and you'll see options to change the color theme of your editor. You can preview each theme before selecting one. To make more advanced customizations, like changing the editor's behavior, you can switch to the JSON format using the Open Settings JSON option. This is where you can manually add or modify settings using JSON, which gives you more control. Remember, if you mess something up, you can always reset to the default settings by clicking the Reset button next to each option. Don't forget to save your changes by closing the Settings tab, which automatically saves everything. Also, you can sync these settings across different machines by signing into your Microsoft account, ensuring that your customized environment is consistent wherever you work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.